This is the Blue Lagoon, guys. We are right here at this area where they call it Blue Lagoon. People can just come to Bry. It's a park, actually, a beautiful park that is very close to this beach here, the Blue Lagoon beach. Is it the Blue Lagoon beach or a park? And there is this a river. There's a river here, and there is also free Wi-Fi, guys. Can you see that? So actually people can just come with their families here and have a nice braai. So I just wanted to show you this area, guys, because I can't say I've done Durban without doing Blue Lagoon. Just want to show you what they do around here and the beauty of the area as well. That's what I want to show you guys. This beautiful river here that is just from the sea, that is adjoining the sea. Let's just go around there and see how it looks like. I'm facing the sun. We just try to go this way. I hope, guys, you're loving these videos, and if you are, please subscribe to the channel or like the video. Look, those buildings over that side there. It's just amazing to be walking here, guys.
How much you got? I got like 9.
And people can come also fishing. There's nice boats, there's canoes. Literally just come to fish around here. Look at that. The elders, anyone can come here just to enjoy this.
Just be me, and I'll be going to Italy or whatever. I'll be going just
Here they go. That's the beautiful river here and the park that comes with it. They call it Lagoon, Blue Lagoon. So is it Blue Lagoon Beach? I think there is a beach that is just close to this area here, and I think we're also going to try to cover it up. There are some I think there's some music that is playing in the background here. It might be a copyright. I might mute some segments. Wow, people comes here, they come shooting just to come do pics with their lovers and all that, and some they can just come do different things, you know. It's just amazing, guys. I love this area here. Some they're just playing their music, enjoying the braai. It's just an amazing sight, guys, as you can see for yourself. I think it's a place that I can actually recommend you if you're someone with family, you come with your family here. Can you see that highway there, guys? Yeah, it's coming all the way from eThekwini, and it's going to Umhlanga, and that's where you find this river here. What's the name of this river? And they're doing a nice fishing here. Hi, can I ask you something? What's the name of this river?
Oh, this is the Blue Lagoon. Umgeni River.
Umgeni River, ne? Okay, Umgeni River. I see. And Blue Lagoon beach somewhere there, ne? And this the park.
Yeah, this is the
Thank you so much. Enjoy yourself. All right. Yeah, I just wanted to be 100% sure of what I'm doing here. So this is the Blue Lagoon Park, and you can see this big Umgeni River. Wow, where they do a lot of fishing. I think they are catching big fish around this area. So you must come with your mates with your beverages, everything of that matter, just to enjoy to the fullest. Let me just show you people enjoying themselves, guys, here. So you can literally see that it's all brine. People, they bring their meat and they bring their beverages, beer, whatever type of cold drinks or whatever you want to bring, just to come and enjoy yourself with family, with friends. It's a good place to be, guys, I'm telling you, especially when you are in a group like this. Not to be like when you are just by yourself like me, like this. No one is selling anything here. I nearly thought maybe she's selling something, but it's only something for family. Guys, it's really fully packed here, and you can see, guys, they are doing different activities, but it's all about just a park. And you can see for yourself how this park is thriving. It really is thriving, guys. Let's just go a little bit down there and see what they are doing. It's all fishing, actually. It's just guys who are fishing and guys who are just enjoying their day. Amazing. You can see there is more guys doing the fishing. I think they're catching a lot of big fish. I don't know, I haven't seen even one bringing out fish here. I don't know if they are doing well. I think it's just small fish, right? It's not as much bigger fish as I was thinking, or maybe it depends how you're fishing. I don't know, but I can see these guys. I haven't seen anyone having. How's it? Are you doing good big fish here?
No fish.
No fish, it's just small ones. Yeah, I can see. Enjoy yourself, guys. So hey, look at these sandbags here. So it shows that sometimes maybe this river really overfloods, eh? I don't know, overflood, or maybe it's just for precautions if something like that do happen. And there is this sandbags here to prevent some serious damage to the river. There's this under bridge here, and I just want to take you now to the beach, the Blue Lagoon beach. I see many people here, they are just fishing, guys. So this is a fishing point. I should actually try to come here also to do some fishing sometime. Now I know where they're doing some fishing. If you're someone who really does enjoy fishing, guys, I think this is the area. Don't you think? Wow. It's quite a beautiful area here, guys. Isn't this a witness that South Africa is beautiful? Blue Lagoon Beach. I don't know where the swimming pot is, where the swimming beaches are. So I'm just trying to find that. I'm just trying to find where people do some swimming when they come here, because you can see over my left, that's Umgen River, right? Right. So here comes this beautiful area here. So let me just walk you. Let's give it a little tour. Come back and go like this, I think. But let me just take you over to that side there, so that we can experience the whole Blue Lagoon walking feeling. But I was thinking, actually there is a beach somewhere. Yeah, it is, there is a beach. I'll show you in a moment. Let's just walk over to that side there, see how things are happening on that side. This is the Umgen River there, going that side, and this is the ocean here. So that's where the Umgen River and the ocean are joined. I don't know how this functions. How come it's the river coming to the ocean, or is the ocean going to the river? But I think this river is pouring into this ocean here, because the river water and the ocean water are two different waters there. The ocean water is salty and the river water is drinkable, but they are meeting. I don't know the secret behind that.
You want me to go home? You want me to go home?
Really fishing, I'm sure, big fish here. This is a professional fishing, I think, from my observation, the way I see it. These are professional fishers, but I haven't seen one fishing out a big fish. I haven't seen one yet. So over the side here is the beach. I'll be taking you there in a moment. I love dogs, but I'm always scared of them. If he just happen to hate you, he might bite you. You can see there, that's the beach. And I just want us to take a walk there, guys, and see how it looks like. Come, let's go in there. Ooh. Walking on these sands again is quite I don't know about these guys here who are sleeping here. Sure, they must have gotten tired, or they came long ago and they are tired. Decided just to sleep, just to giving a nap. So that is the beach here. This is the Blue Lagoon beach. It's quite a nice beach. These kind of beaches, you know, it's nice sand, no stones, no rocks. It's just a beautiful beach as it is, though there is not so many people Guys, I'm just taking you on this this kind of voyage series of these beaches here in Durban, and I just want you to see the difference of different places. Like I've shown you the beaches there in Mhlanga, also you will see the beaches, the beach of La Lucia, the beaches of Belito, especially Belito and Mhlanga. You can see those beaches, they're really rocky. Belito and Mhlanga, the beaches are really rocky, but it's nice to be there. But beaches like these ones, they're really nice. I think I love this. But you can see more people in these kind of areas here. They come here doing a lot of fishing. As you can see, it's all fishing rods, and you can see this twine is right to the sea. I don't know how this is done. You can see there's these rods here, they're just standing there, and the twine is right into the water. How they do catch it, I don't know. They know better. I'm not an expert when it comes to fishing, but you can see those are the things they actually come here to do, most of them, and some just come to swim, as you can see. So this is the Blue Lagoon beach. I'm sure guys you're enjoying this video so far. Give it a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. More of different videos that is still going to be coming. The experience right here in South Africa. Look at this dog. What's the name of this dog, guys? Look at that. I don't mean name the name they give the dog. I'm talking of the breed. Yeah, you can come. Here we go. Thank you. Let me just wash. That's it. This is how beautiful this place looks like. If you're actually looking like, I mean, we are looking for the greenery, the landscape. This is just the artificial landscaping. It's very nice around here, guys. I'm telling you, nice car parks that you do find around here. And this is the Blue Lagoon. And I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. Yeah, I think the Blue Lagoon, we are going to be finishing it here. There is a free Wi-Fi as well. You can really enjoy it around here, guys. And I just want to give thanks to you, all of you watching these videos, and also liking, supporting the channel and everything. Shout out to all of you guys. I love you.